everyone, Timothy here from ReplacementRemotes.com. Today I have the Samsung DVD remote control. If yours is lost or perhaps broken, we'll be glad to replace it with a brand new one here from ReplacementRemotes.com, where we do have the best prices and selection for remote controls on the internet. The part number on this remote is AK5900146A. It is the brand new and original equipment from Samsung. We offer a 60-day warranty and a no questions asked guarantee return policy here at ReplacementRemotes.com. If you have a question or would like to make the order by phone, please give us a call, 336-924-8787. Our friendly staff will be glad to help you, or as always, log on to our secured and trusted website by clicking the link below this video I provided, hit the green Buy It Now button, and we'll ship you this brand new Samsung DVD remote control.
ReplacementRemotes.com, ReplacementRemotes.com. If you need a remote control, ReplacementRemotes.com.